my book.
You got lots of Smarties and Reese's and chocolate and candy and money.
That's blue. That's blue.
That's blue, good. Oh, and look what else you got. What are those?
Look at flower.
Where do those go in? You need to call Grandma and tell her thank you, huh? Oh, look, there's your headband.
Say thank you, Grandma.
It's my princess.
Yeah, you're like a princess, huh?
Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
That was very nice.
That's pink.
That is pink. Here, let Mommy put these in here. And take your little hat.
Say bye-bye, Grandma. Say bye-bye, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Love you, Grandma. Say love you, Grandma.
She's busy with the candy now.
Or not. I got candy.
Here, put it in your bag.